Yes, digital product family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are residing and wherever you're watching from, guys. I'm here on EverBee as usual. I'm going to do my niche finding exercise in the junk journal kit niche. Guys, I want to find you, well, I found you already. Three fantastic examples of junk journal kits that are making amazing money in the Christmas period. Now, I know Christmas is literally now or around the corner, but like I said, I always want to show you the things that are working right now. Don't forget, I'm going to be doing my Valentine, Easter videos coming up quite soon, and hopefully way before the time, like 4 months before the time, so you can get listing real quick. But I want to show you these amazing listings that are very recent, making good money, like literally a month ago, making good money. In the junk journal kit realm. You're going to love this, guys. And I'm also going to show you how to find a trending one using EverBee, my fantastic tool to get you that niche so you can get it uplisted and make that fantastic passive income real quick. So guys, as usual, before I get going with this amazing video, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, guys, because we're sharers over here. We just love to share. But anyways, check it out, man. I'm on EverBee as usual. Check out link in my description. Product analytics. This is how I find these gems, right? I literally typed in junk journal kit, listing analyzed, 50,000 listings analyzed. Now, look, you can see these amazing junk journals. Look, 9,908, 7,906. They make a lot of money. They're quite popular. And what I like to do is, personally, I like to look at recent listings because I want to see ones that are making money quickly. The reason why I do that is because then it's a good comparison. I also look at ones that have been there for a while, but I also like to look at these listings that are recent. And then I look across here and analyze their reviews, category, shop age, visibility is important, conversion rate. So what I'm saying is your research is the absolute key to actually getting a profitable listings, because you won't know what is good to sell unless you find out first. So I always say that don't do your designing. It's not emotions first. It's science-based first, right? Always science-based. Anyways, without further ado, I want to show you how to find a fantastic junk journal kit niche, right? That we're going to find together. But before I do, I'm going to show you three fantastic Christmas junk journal kits for now. So check it out, man. Let me show you right now. Check it out. Look at this. This is an amazing one. I love this timeless Christmas collection junk journal kit journal pages. Let's check it out. Look at these, absolutely beautiful. They got this kind of vintage style to it with these amazing pink. Let me just go into it. I love this one. I really do. I like this kind of vintage style for these junk journals, right? They're so amazing with this kind of old school, maybe like sort of 40s 50s kind of style of design and drawing. You know, with the Christmas tones. You got the pink tones in the background, beautiful flowers and snow. It's really nice Christmas tree you got there. And this listing is really cool because it shows you all the things you can get. Look at that nice little fireplace. It's beautiful, beautiful candles there. Yes, a nice little collection. I'm not gonna lie, I like this collection, right? Let me just show you the video very quickly. It's a nice little video, a little slideshow, just literally. You gotta have a video, guys. If you're not having a video, you're not selling much, because the video really does help it sell. I mean, not it's not selling much, but a video does definitely help it convert. Yeah, so it's really nice. I like this one. So let's get into this. How much is it actually making? So Christmas collection journal pages. How much is it actually making right now? Now it's making approximately $5,266. Only a 1 month old listing. Crazy, crack-a-lacking. Decent conversion, 6.62. Really good review ratio as well. Yeah, got 83 reviews. Madness in the last. That is crazy. 7,925 views, 234 favorites, 83 reviews, only in 1 month old list. That's crazy. That's a crazy one. 26-page kit, guys, by the way. It's a 26-page kit. Now, don't forget, it's on a sale right now. So it's obviously not going to make as much as that as the sale is on. But isn't that a really fantastic one, guys? Don't you think it's amazing? I think that's amazing. All right, I'm going to jump on. Look, it's in demand. It's a bestseller. 24 people bought it in the last 24 hours. Like literally one person bought it every hour. That's mad. Anyways, let's check out this next one. This is another timeless kind of style. Pussycat Christmas style. I love it. Actually, funny enough, this is actually the same seller. So I can see the same style. This is the same style, but I've got another seller in a minute. But what's interesting is the seller has a sort of unique style, and you can tell. And this is what guys got to do. Look, when you guys got a store and branding, try and have a style. Try and have a unique branding style. So people recognize you. They know you. They know how good you are. Look, it's in demand. 25 actually people bought this in the last 24 hours. Wow. So this is slightly different. This is like why they call it pussy fussy? Is it fussy cuts? Right? You got these animals, these mice with hats, and you got the Christmas tree, and you got this cool, like slightly different style, this one actually, to the last one, right? Let me see the video very quickly. Again, slideshow. Cool, need a video, really good. Shows you everything that you get, all the elements that you get in it, right? So really nice elements actually. I like those. Cool elements. So slightly different, right? It's a slightly different kit. They call it fussy cuts. How much is it making now? How much is this one making? So the other one was pretty good, like 5,000 plus. This one's making 2,696. Not too shabby. 430 sales. 68 reviews. That's really strong, guys. That's hot. 6.63 conversion again. Really good, right? That's really cool. Now I'm going to show you a different one from a different seller, right? Just to get some comparisons there. So let's check out the third one. But look, get an idea of how these things work. The style, that vintage rustic look. You can see there's that watercolor rustic style that people do like in these kind of collections, right? Let's go to the next one. Okay, here we go. Again, it's funny how these styles, these ones are similar. See, when you do your research, you get to see what kind of tones work, what style works, whether it's watercolor, and the vintage background style. Look, they've even mentioned it. Vintage, junk journal, printables, vintage background. Let's have a look a little bit deeper into this, right? I like the style. They've got many different elements, like you got the reindeer, you got the Santa on a sleigh. Is it a sleigh? It's like a wagon. You got candles, different kind of faces, beautiful, like these archways, Christmas trees, flowers again, pink tones with the clock. These are pink flowers, pink tones, backgrounds, vintage style, right? That's interesting, right? And they call it 100 plus mega vintage pink floral Christmas junk journal paper kit. So you're getting what you see. It's telling you it's a floral vintage pink, and that's literally what you see. So again, to help with conversion, you got to show what you see. It's in demand. 5 people bought in the last 24 hours, guys. It is on a sale right now as well. Now let's just have a look and see how much this one and how old it is. Remember, this is a different seller. This one is another 1 month old listing, making 1,780, guys. Still not too shabby, pretty cool. 89 sales in the last 1 month. Yep, 6 reviews. So that's interesting. Now let's just go and analyze a little bit deeper, guys. Check this out, man. Now, so the keywords that is really getting sort of that value in or seen in is the junk journal kit keyword, which is like not too bad. 20 keyword score, 1,153 volume people search for it. There's a lot of competition, to be fair, but this one's much better. Junk journal supply, which is way better keyword score. Fantasy background. So you got your pink vintage there. So it's touching on a few decent keywords. I'm sure there's others that maybe not appearing in the tags that's also there for. And again, you can see some of these keywords on the title. You'll be surprised where some keywords you might not see it in the tags, right? The listing tags, but yet they'll be there in the title. And those are ones that are maybe also helping it rank, helping it get up there, those pages, depending on the keyword combination. So these are very important to do your research. And I always say, you got to do your keyword research first if you want to start listing. So the 2-step process is this, right? So we can see that there are profits to be made on this, but there's a 2-step process, which is very important if you want to make those sales and make that amazing passive income. You got to do a 2-step process. The 2-step process is when you get to EverBee, you need to go to the product analytics, and then you need to do your research and find maybe like 5 to 10 even, look at a variety of different junk journal kits that are selling very well, right? Analyze them, look at the design style, look at how old the listing is. Maybe recent ones are good because then you're able to, especially with recent store age as well, young stores, young listings, because if those guys can very quickly get listed, get that passive income, then they're actually doing something completely correct, right? So get EverBee, link is in my description, and do the product analytics first. Put your keyword here. So in this case, it's going to be junk journal kit, and then analyze. I would say like a good variety, maybe, 5 to 10, but 5, 6, 7, 8 is a good number of the profitable ones that are listing age of, say, maximum of 3 months, right? You want to see what's working recently, right? And then what I would do is once you've analyzed, you looked at certain things, you got some tips, then you jump onto the keywords, right? Then you jump onto the keyword research. This is very important. So again, go to EverBee. And then what you do is on the side, once you've got your Chrome extension, go on the side on your research tools. And then you've done your product analytics. Let's say you've analyzed a good few listings that are working really well, selling well, recent ones, and you've seen the design style. Then you go to keyword research, right? Which is where I'm on now. So I might type in, I might go generic for a junk journal kit, and then I'll start going to Christmas, right? Junk journal, right? Junk journal kit. Actually, I'll do Christmas. Let's say you're going to be specific because you want a sub niche, right? So you might do Christmas junk journal kit. Let's just say, let's just do it like that. Now, let me show you a couple of bits. Now, when you type in that keyword, that particular keyword, which is sub niche, you got people, look at this, 323 people actually typing it in right now onto Etsy on the search bar. There's a competition of 5,833. Now, if you look at this, it has a keyword score of 60. That is not actually too bad. That's pretty good. Now, obviously, we wanna get a better keyword score so that we're able to rank further. So then what you do is you come down here, okay? And I'm just going to show you something. Now, it's got those keywords here. And then what I would do is I would start just sifting down. Like I'll start looking down to see anything else that starts appearing. Now, look, it's already improved. I've already found now by looking at this research that, look, Santa Christmas junk journal kit. So people that are focused on more of the Santa Christmas junk journal kits are typing this keyword in. 227 people are typing this in on the search bar right now. And there's a competition of 1,464. That's actually very, very good. So there's a keyword score of 160. So I'm going to write down right now on my little notepad, Santa Christmas junk journal. So if I did a whole, 50 pages of just Santa related junk journal kit pages, then I'm able to rank actually pretty good, right? And that's what you do. You start going down, drill down on certain keywords. You might put Santa, you might put reindeer, you might put presents. Think about all the things that are related to Christmas, and you'll be surprised how high your keyword score will go, and how popular it can be, and how unsaturated it is, and how little competition there is, honestly. And this is how you do your investigation, and this is how you do your kind of research within the keyword score. So what I would do is, now that I know, say, that Santa Christmas junk journal kits are decent, then that's where you start. That will inform you to do your design. Now, look, you might actually find even more. I might go down and I might find even more excellent keywords, right? Not just Santa. There might be other ones that I can find. And again, look, there is. And there literally is. Look, vintage Santa Christmas. Look at it. It's niched down further. Vintage Santa Christmas junk journal kits. They like it in the vintage style. Now that has a search of 180 and only a competition of 1,009. That can get you ranked up quite easily. And this is what I'm saying. You want to go something that's unsaturated, even though sometimes the volume is not massive. That's okay. Because imagine you got 200 people searching for something and you're on page 1. And you're high on page 1. You're going to get sales for sure. As long as you get everything else right, the listing images, the video, the pricing, the sale, and everything else. But that is how you do it. Guys, that's exactly how you do it. That's a nugget right there, a big nugget. Anyways, I'm going to leave it there. Don't forget, I've got more videos on this and how to use it. Do check out, like I said, all the links in my description for everything I use, especially free access to EverBee, like I just showed you. Anyways, if you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to check out the playlist up there. Don't forget to check out all the links down there. And I shall see you on the next video. Take care.